Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Shopify product image watermarking for clean branding step by step clearly. To disable Shopify product image watermarking, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to access your current theme settings. Locate the theme you are using and click on the Actions drop-down menu. Select Edit Code from the options provided. In the code editor, look for the config folder on the left-hand side. Within the config folder, find and click on the settings_data.json file. Search for the keyword watermark within the file. If there is an entry related to watermarking, carefully remove that entry. Be cautious not to alter any other parts of the code to avoid issues. Once you've removed the watermark entry, click on Save to apply the changes. Next, go back to the online store section. Click Themes again to return to your theme selections. From here, click on Customize for your current theme. Navigate to the section where your product images are displayed. Verify that the watermark is no longer visible on your product images. Finally, preview your online store to ensure everything looks clean and professional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.